I think the first half we were better.
Babak pertama kita lebih baik.
It was a little bit unlucky that we get one goal before halftime.
Enggak beruntung kita dapat golnya sebelum pergantian babak.
I think second half, I think maybe they at the end, beside that we had 7 days training, like I think Bandung also had not so many days training.
Babak kedua mungkin karena kita baru 7 hari latihan, Bandung pun sama.
So you have to prevent that players
berarti kita harus mencegah
that players get injury.
Pemain cedera.
And so that's one reason. So, and the second is of course they had 4 days rest and we had 2 days rest.
Itu alasan pertama, tetapi alasan kedua adalah mereka istirahatnya 4 hari, kami cuma 2.
And okay, I still think that they were not better, but we were not better.
Masih berpikir mereka nggak lebih baik, tapi kita pun sama nggak lebih baik juga. Coach, you are going through to the phase of third and fourth place. Are you satisfied with this achievement?
But you know, we knew the moment we made our whole preparation, we didn't knew there was a President Cup.
Ketika kita bikin masa persiapan, kita nggak tahu ada Piala Presiden.
So we made our planning.
Jadi kita udah bikin planning.
We also didn't know when the competition would start.
Bahkan waktu itu kita belum tahu kapan kompetisi mulai.
So you guess when you have to start.
Jadi kita menerka-nerka kapan kita mulai.
And then suddenly the President Cup was scheduled.
Tiba-tiba Presiden Cup direncanakan.
So I know it's a prize.
Jadi tahu ini ada hadiahnya.
But it's also preparation.
Tapi ini masih masa persiapan juga.
We can learn from these games.
Kita bisa belajar dari pertandingan ini.
And I think that's the main for us. Besides that you want to win a prize, the main purpose of these games is that you can really judge your team.
Dan dia rasa tujuan dari kompetisi ini adalah supaya kita bisa
and where you have to develop.
Dan di mana kita bisa develop.
And I think that's, if you look at it in that way, then I think I'm satisfied.
Kalau kita lihat dari sisi itu, dia sudah puas.
But also, of course, as a sportsman, you want to play the final.
Tapi sebagai seorang olahragawan, kita juga mau main di final.
Which I want to ask one question. Today you against Sport, which is the Thailand club, the foreign club, and this is good maybe for your preparation to Asia.
Oh, that's a good question. I think so.
Dia rasa ya.
I think this is it's a good mirror of what you can expect.
Ini cerminan yang kita bisa harapkan.
And it's a good mirror that we can compete.
Ini juga cerminan bahwa kita bisa berkompetisi.
That is the mirror of today.
Ini adalah cerminan
I think we were very dominant first half.
Kita sangat dominan di babak pertama.
And you can also see, like the last game against Bandung.
Pertandingan terakhir lawan Bandung.
We played with 9 Indonesian players.
Kita juga main dengan 9 pemain
and
Indonesia.
only Embarga and Sony as foreigners.
Dan hanya Sony dan Embarga pemain asingnya.
So that's also something I think to mention.
Ini juga sesuatu yang bisa disebutkan. Okay, Stefano scored a goal. How do you think his adaptations with the team so far, and what is your plan for him in the season?
The plan I will tell him.
Nanti rencananya kita kasih tahu dia.
But listen, in his personality, he's a very professional player.
Dari kepribadiannya dia sangat profesional.
He's a very happy player.
Dia juga senang, bahagia.
He slowly start to accept that there are tasks.
Pelan-pelan dia mulai menerima tugas-tugas yang dikasih.
And he is creative.
Dan dia juga pemain yang kreatif.
But he's a very good team player.
Tapi dia adalah pemain tim yang sangat baik.
I'm happy he's with the team.
Dia senang dengan tim kita.
And I think every team would be happy to have a player like that.
Dan setiap tim pasti senang punya pemain seperti dia.
And he speaks Dutch.
Dan dia juga bisa bahasa Belanda.
Cukup. Oke. Thank you coach Paul Dekin dan juga Bang Des. Sampai bertemu di sesi post match selanjutnya.
Thank you.
Thank you.